Today we are going to be looking at cross-cancellation. And so cross-cancellation is something that helps us simplify before we multiply. And what we're going to look at today is the question 4 multiplied by 3/20. So to first be able to multiply this, we have to change the 4 into a fraction. And if you remember from other lessons, we can change any whole number into a fraction by just writing it over a 1. So now we have 4 over 1 times 3 over 20. So what we could do is just multiply straight across and end up with 12/20, but then we'd have to simplify that. So cross-cancellation helps us to do the simplification first. We can simplify before we multiply. So what we have to do for cross-cancellation is look across. So here we have 3 and 1 across from each other. So cross-cancellation, we want to find factors greater than 1 that both those numbers across have. So if you think of 3 and 1, there is no factor greater than 1 that they both share. There is no common factor that they both share. But if you look across to the 4 and 20, they have several common factors that they share. They share 1, of course. But they also share 2. Both could be divided by 2. 4 could be divided by 2. 20 could be divided by 2. But that's not the greatest common factor. There's one greater yet, and that is 4. So if you look at the 4, 4 can be divided by 4. And so we cross out the 4, and we write 1 in its place because 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Then we can also cross out this 20. And what is 20 divided by 4? Well, the answer is 5. So instead of now multiplying 4 over 1 times 3 over 20, we can simply multiply 1 times 3, which equals 3, and 1 times 5 equals 5. And then we're done. We don't have any simplification to do. We don't need to simplify our product. Our product is 3/5, and we're done. I hope this helps.